All right, boys and girls, now that we have been doing a lot of these problems, I want you to try and do some without drawing pictures or using 10 frames. We are going to use our number line. So I'm going to draw one on my iPad so you can follow along and use the one on your desk. So here's mine, and you use yours. So the first one is 8 minus 2. So we're going to start on 8, and we go backwards 2 spaces. What number did we land on? 6. Very good. The next one is 6 minus 4. So we're going to put our pencil on 6, and we're going to hop back 4 spaces. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. What did we land on? 2. Very good. The next one is 4 minus 3. So I put my pencil on 4 and I count back 3. 1, 2, 3. And what did I land on? 1. Good. Next one, I will start on 8 and I count back 3. 1, 2, 3. And I stopped on 5. The next one is 6 minus 5. So start on 6, count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 7 minus 6. Start on 7, count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's also 1. Now we're going to do 9 minus 4. 9, count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we ended on 5. 5 minus 2. Pencil on 5, count back 2. 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 2. That one's 5. And if I do 4 minus 0, I start on 4 and I don't go anywhere, so the answer is just 4. Okay. Now on the back, I want you to try the same thing, except this time I'm not going to do the problems with you. I want to see that you can do them on your own. So use your number line, always count back, and when you're finished, turn it in to your teacher.